For the Quartierstrom project, supported by the Swiss Federal Ministry of Energy, we are building a decentralized electricity market, where solar energy can be sold from neighbor to neighbor using blockchain technology. To secure future energy supply, generation of electricity is more and more dependent on renewable resources. A shift from big power plants to many small and often private producers decentralizes the energy market. It is now technically and economically feasible for homeowners to place solar panels on their roof and produce energy not only for themselves but also for their neighbors. The system we are building brings together those who produce energy and those who consume it at the same time. While the matching happens within the market, my part of the system makes it possible to securely run it without the risk of manipulation. The challenge here is, how do we make a system like this robust and secure? Our answer is the people who have an interest in a working system. We use a blockchain between the participants where the input of data and results of computations are checked by certain nodes and voted on to find consensus. Our blockchain is carried by the prosumers of the system, who installed solar panels on their roof, and the utility company that is providing access to the grid. We start with a smart meter, a calibrated data source which records the consumption and production of a participant. A small computer in the house, called the agent, reads this data and makes its decisions of participating in the market based on the user's preferences, like a maximum buy price. After creating a digitally signed transaction, a participant sends it out to the validators in the system to let them countercheck it. By digitally signing their transactions, a participant commits to its intents and receives a punishment or ban from the system in case of misbehavior. After a number of them casts a vote and agrees to the result of the transaction, it is added to a block and appended to the other underlying blockchain. The system is robust, meaning it can withstand a number of the validators being absent or malicious without stopping its intended purpose. The advantages of a specialized blockchain between prosumers are low energy consumption, security for value transfers, and a system that can be used by everyone.